big fidget box over here. Maybe I could play with them.
What is a fidget? Deedy, what's a fidget?
It's all of these. They're called Popits. And I have tons of them. I have a giant Poppit.
So you are just pushing in all of the holes and it keeps your fingers busy?
Yeah.
Which keeps your mind busy?
Yeah. I got a circle Poppit.
So you just have to push all the holes into all these different things?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I must say they're pretty colors.
Yeah. And then I got a heart Poppit.
That's a pretty one.
It's tie-dyed. I have this one. I have a butterfly one, and it color changes in the sun.
Oh, that's neat. Is it like one of those that absorbs light and it glows in the dark?
It doesn't glow in the dark, but it changes colors.
Okay.
Look how many different shapes there are. There's an ice cream, there's another ice cream, there's a puppy dog, there's a square, there's a circle, there's a milkshake, there's a flower, and there's a donut. And here's a Mickey Mouse one, and another ice cream. Here's a circle one. I also have a flower one.
Well, this sure would keep you quiet for a while, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Lots of things to do.
And then I have
Lots of poppets to pop.
And I have a puppy dog one. On accident, I broke it, but my mom figured out a way to put like one of these things on it so you can hook it onto your backpack.
Oh,
She's such a smart mommy.
Yes, she is.
I got this one from my brother. I also have this tie-dyed one, and it's a circle. I have a milkshake one.
I think I could go for a real milkshake right now.
Yeah.
A little square one and a big square one.
I have a little ice cream. I have an ice cream one, and it's red. This is also my favorite, and it has letters on it. And
Because you like the light colors?
Yeah, and it wants me to have ice cream right now. I have this ice cream one also. It's a mini ice cream one, and this is my favorite. And then I have a donut one.
They sure do make them in fun colors of things we like to eat, don't they?
Yeah, and look, I can stick my finger through here and pop it like this.
All kinds of ways to get out that fidgety energy, right?
And then I have another ice cream one. It's tie-dyed also.
That one's a little circle one.
I know. And this is also my favorite mini one too. And last but not least, I have this tiny little Mickey Mouse one.
No.
And it can only fit my pinky.
Oh, so the sizes fit your fingers. Oh, I see.
But on the other side, hey, now I have all dimples. So I have a dimple wobble. And it just wobbles and you can pop it. And then I have a avocado dimple. I have
So dimples are different from
poppets. Kind of, because you can still pop them,
but they're different. Okay.
Yeah. And then I have a triple simple dimple.
A triple simple dimple. I have to say I like that name.
And then I got two regular simple dimples. They're pink and blue.
Now those are simple dimples, not triple.
Yeah,
simple
they don't
dimples.
have 3. They only have 2. And then I have a frappuccino simple dimple.
Now, a frappuccino?
Because it looks like a frappuccino with the little straw and it's a simple dimple. So that's what I call it.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yes, I don't like unicorns, but I just have it for some reason. Someone gave it to me. I have a unicorn dimple.
Alrighty.
I have a regular dimple.
Those are like bigger pops.
Yeah. And then I have a dimple digit. And I also have the big one. On this side it says it in regular. On this side it says it in Spanish. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez.
Yay, Deedy.
All of my fidgets.
Lots and lots of fidgets.
A lot. Look at the bottle.
Oh yeah. Well, what do they do?
You just play with them. Okay, so I have a glow in the dark needle.
Nido. Now these are called Nidos.
Yeah. I have a cool cat needle.
Ooh, cool cat.
And my Nana got me both of these. I have a snapper.
Ooh.
And Nana got me this also. It will do louder, but right now it's not being so nice. Then I got a shaggy needle. I have a shaggy needle.
Ooh, like the shaggy rugs.
And then I got a jumbo needle. Kind of makes your hands tired.
I guess that's the point.
Yeah, and then I got 3 small needles. They kind of remind me of globbles, but they don't stick. But they stick to each other.
Well.
And you can take them apart and they like stretch. And then I have a puzzle ball. You just like sort the colors. I mixed it up myself. Well, my dad mixed it up and then I sort and then I found all the colors. And then I got a
Smiley face.
ball, but it's supposed to be like I got a dice one too. They're supposed to be like stressed. This one's a dice and it has like all the things and I can roll it and I got a 5. And I have a little cute smiley face.
Mm-hmm.
And then runaway ball. And then I got a dolphin's ball. I don't know what it's really called. It's just, you just squeeze it and it comes out. And her name is Delphine. But what?
Well, what else is left?
A bunch. So I also have 3 pop tubes. I have a blue one.
All these things just keep you busy all day.
Yeah. And And then I got a purple one. Sometimes I do that. And I have a pink one. And these are all my 3 favorite colors. Blue, pink, and purple. And they're all in the right order.
What is that shining and glowing down in there?
It's kind of like a stress ball, but you just like do that. And then when you hit it on the ground, it lights up.
Wow, it's kind of cute. You're moving it so much, I'm having trouble.
And then I got, I think 6 or 5 marble meshes.
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I was right. And you basically just do this. Or you can do this. You could do that. And I have a light blue. I have a dark blue. I have a dark purple. I have a lime green. I have a light yellow and I have a red. I forgot. I also have this other stress ball, and it's a shot. My sister is going to JSU, and she has an apple, and I have a little shot.
All righty.
And it says JSU Nursing. She's going to Jacksonville State. And I have 2 wacky tracks. I have a green and blue, and I have an orange and blue. I like the orange and blue better, but you can just do that. I have a tangle. You just do this. And then I have 4 mochis. I have 2 duplicates. And I have hippo. I have a hippo. You just squeeze it. I have a little orange bunny. And then I have 2 duplicates. They're 2 purple cats. These are the most quietest thing in my collection, I think.
I guess you have one to share.
I know. And I could get another one. And then I have 2 pea poppers. This one has a face. And this one melted in the sun.
Okay.
And this one, I have a zipper. You basically just zip it, keep doing zip it, and you can also take it apart and put it on your wrist, or you can just keep it like this and put it on your wrist.
Where's the bracelet?
We're almost done.
Okay.
I have 3 bike chains. I have 2 greens and a blue. This one's
Now those are kind of pretty.
This one's crazy all the time. And I always think it makes a Gucci symbol. Because I love Gucci. And I have a Gucci backpack.
Woohoo!
I have 4 regular monkey noodles. I have a purple. I have 2 blues. But I think one's darker and one's lighter. And then I have a pink.
Pink or deep pink, huh?
Yeah. And then I have 2 crazy monkey noodles. This one's a unicorn. Also, again, I don't like unicorns.
Why do you keep saying that?
Because I don't like unicorns.
Well, you think you've outgrown them, I guess, huh?
And then I have a cute little blue doggy.
Oh.
And then I have a fidget pen. You can just pop it. And it has a little smiley face.
Mm-hmm.
You can also take it off and pop it like this.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
And it's a pin.
Oh, there you go. You can take that to school.
Yeah. And then I don't exactly know what these names are, but I just call them rings. You can like do this. And I have 3 golds and 2 silvers.
And what are these last 2 things in here?
This is an infinity cube.
Yeah.
This is also my favorite.
And this thing?
And this is a fidget pad. It's kind of like a gaming controller.
Oh.
But you can like do all these buttons, and then it could like do that, and then this,
Well,
that, and then
I think, are you setting up a
that thing.
shop here? You going to sell this stuff?
No! And it's like has that, and then you can roll this, you can turn that, you can do this, and you can also roll this if it makes noise.
Look, as far as we can see, there are fidgets and poppets and
I will count if I'll count.
things.
I'll
Goodness
count all
gracious.
my things. I'll count all my things. I'm gonna count all my fidgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60.
60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.